Next hack makes Scratch a bit cooler. All you have to do is go onto the search box, then after that do .host. Now what will happen is you'll be transferred to this page a lot cooler than Scratch. It's got so many cool fonts, the games look better, and yeah, it's just so much more better than Scratch. Now for this next hack, if you go into your text, then after that, if you click on your fonts, all of these fonts look really bad. For example, if you go into the curly one, then type up something, then after that, look how ugly this is. Out of every single font Scratch could have used, they had to use this font. Well, don't worry, because if you go into the Scratch search page and search up more fonts, then after that, you'll be directed to this page. Click on even more fonts. Then click on see inside, then after that click on backdrops, then after that you will see all of these cool fonts. Like, what would you rather do? Use these fonts or use Scratch's ugly fonts? Which would you rather do? Tell me in the comments below. This isn't really a hack, but it is really funny. If you do when green flag clicked, speak, then after that, if you type up poop and then do a when green flag clicked, nothing shows. But when you do speak, but when you put emoji, then when you use the poop emoji, it said poop. So yeah. This next hack, type up who unfollowed me, Scratch. Now after you do this, there will be this website right here. Click on that website. Then after that, put in your username. My username is the Scratch Pro __. Now if you put get, then after that it will show everyone who unfollowed you. Wow, only 7 people has unfollowed me. Also, shout out to Greg Ostrower in Scratch. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Bye guys.